Okay, so I'm back with the Chinese clock, the digital clock. I tried it with 5 volts, it didn't work. But now I added a boost circuit and I upped the voltage to 10 volts. I didn't want to go to the max. This says it can support 12, but yeah, I chose 10 to be safe. And I'm going to start it up. Should I? $7 burn down before my eyes. Ah! It's working! Why? What things I did wrong? I had to do 2 things wrong for this to work. How? How is this working? And why do I think it's so beautiful? Okay, so if my suspicion is correct, you can set the time with this one, or you just put it in standby. How do you configure it? You hold it down, maybe. Yeah, okay. 29. Oh, you have to hold it. This has to be 3. Yeah. Okay. And this other one has to be 29. Why doesn't it want to go to... What? This has to be 29. Okay. Make it 30. Okay. And not 4, 3. What? So, you hold this. You hold it again. And then you set it to 3. 3. Okay. And now just let it blink. Or long press. Okay. So, I set the clock. And it's working. And I don't even need the lights. Can I turn off the lights? No, I can't. During the recording I can't. But this is so beautiful. It's displaying 0, 3, 31, and the seconds. Oh boy. And I should also measure the consumption, and that's it. But I'll have to buy another boost circuit because this is really powerful. This is for 5 amps, up to 5 amps, and I only need like 1 amp maybe. I think I have one somewhere. Is it reachable? Can I reach it and show you? Because it was here somewhere. But it doesn't really matter. It's somewhere. Oh, here it is. This little thing. This can handle like half an amp or 1 amp. This will be enough, I think. But yeah. This was a success. $7 and it's a success after 2 hours of troubleshooting and soldering. Oh boy. So, this is the test, but there's a huge video, a very long video that you can check out in the description. That's where I put the whole thing together. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. See you in the next video.